Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to sew a bralette using my Ivy Bralette pattern. Please check out the description box down below or my website thedressmaker.org. Also, this pattern can be sewn using one color for the plain version or two for the reversible one. This means you can have two bralettes in one sewing. Now, let's get started. Whenever you see a mark like this, snip into the seam line. This is called a notch. Match two bra pieces at the notches and sew them right side together. Press the seam line open. So the sewing steps for the plain version and the reversible version are similar until you reach this point. For the plain option, fold the fabric in half and sew them right sides together. Trim the seams. Now, we are going to use a very handy tool called the loop turner. Insert the tool inside the strap, keep the latch flat and open, hook with the top edge of the fabric and pull. Use the loop turner to pull the strap right sides out. Press the straps. For the reversible version, pin two pieces of fabric right sides together. Sew on both sides. Trim the seams. Use the loop turner to pull the strap right sides out. If you don't have a loop turner, I will show you how you can sew the straps at the end of this video. Next, place the straps in the middle of two bra pieces. Make sure all the right sides are together. Same color straps and bras are matched together. The strap has to be sewn right in the middle of the seam line. Trim the seams at the top edges. Press the seams open. Turn to the right sides. Now, let's make the bra band. Pin the front and back pieces right sides together and sew along the side seams. Match two pieces right sides together at the side seams. sew along the bottom edge of the band. Trim only on one side of the seam. Turn to the right side and press the seam flat. There are 2 notches on the front of the band. Match the bra pieces at the notches and pin. And sew them right side together. Press the seam flat. Fold the unfinished edge inward, match at the stitch line. Leave the gap between the strap open. Because this stitch is going to be visible on the fabric, I changed the top stitch to blue and the bottom stitch to white. If you do the plain color version, you don't have to change the stitches. I'm sewing with the blue side on top so it matches the top stitch. Insert the elastic, sew to secure the elastic under the strap. Put a safety pin at the other end of the elastic. Fold the unfinished edge inward and sew. Leave a small hole open. Pull the elastic and sew them at the end of the other strap. Sew to secure the elastic under the strap. Sew the hole closed. And voila! You're done! If you don't have a loop turner, here is how you can do it. However, the straps will be slightly bigger. The sewing steps are similar for both plain and reversible version. Place 2 pieces of fabric right sides together, sew on one side, press the seam open and trim it. Fold the unfinished edges inward and sew them together. Match the stitches with the fabric colors. And voila! Here is your bra strap. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and able to make a bralette for yourself. For more sewing videos, please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification, and check out our website thedressmaker.org. Thank you so much and hope to see you again next time. Happy sewing!